spouse a good current leaders. We have also one, but this, as I heard from Colonel Sundao, this will be only their first and last performance policy. To our guest of honor speaker today, the Commander of 1st Air Division, Brigadier General Lino Horacio Lapini, sir. Of course, the Commander, Air Force Reserve Command, Brigadier General Alejandro Camagay, sir. Of course, the Deputy Commander of Air Logistics Command, General Terry Humana. Different wing commanders of Air Force City units, headed by Colonel Sigmund Dao. To the College of Deputies, of course, headed by Colonel Lee Grama. The School of Leos, headed by Colonel Josai. The 2nd Ascent Commander, Colonel Dave Babas. Of course, his predecessor, Colonel